Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. This video is about the Pixel coin price prediction news analysis. 3-day chart from the Binance exchange. And yesterday we discussed that it could go upside toward the 60 ones, but it got rejection twice from that area. It was struggling to break that zone of the 50s area, but unfortunately it is again coming down. So is it over or should we have to hold this coin? What is the invalidation level for this setup? We are going to talk about this in a detail. Before starting, guys, make sure subscribe, turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. Here, I'm going to show you $30 million is just a market cap for the Pixels coin, and $268 million of trading volume. Volume to MCAP ratio is so huge, and the coin available on all the major exchanges. A very old project it is, and it was under the heavy correction. And almost, I'm going to show you from here to here, it is 98% down from the top, and now that was just the first green candle and first time it pump upside, guys. Okay, this we cannot say that this is the proper reversal pattern, but this was just a pump or test pump on a macro structure. But another thing I'm going to show you, it was getting a lot of rejection, and currently it is still above the important invalidation zone that I told you, very important support level of a 0.040s area. As long we are above this area, it is okay to hold, and you can just put a stop losses below that zone, guys. Okay, because we pump with a huge buying power from, look at this, a big green candle upside, but we got rejection twice from that zone, and it is looking like it need more correction here. But I think we are standing at the important zone, which is the critical support level, do or die zone. The people who are doing a trade for the short term for the 10 to 20 or 30% gain, guys, this is very important. You should have to put a stop losses, because if we lose this area, the downside is going to be this, like 0.028 on this coin. Okay, but overall it seems like it want to reclaim, restore the uptrend, and it is just trying to make us a reversal pattern on a bigger frame to go more upside. So upside is huge on this coin. I'm going to show you how we pump just first time from the extremely oversold zone. We were here at 70 Tuesdays, been there, and now we are first time pumping upside. So after pumping 200% within very short time period from here to here, it pumped around the 163%, and it is not a pump and dump project. Okay, and currently it is still standing at very important one thing that I can say. You can just put a stop losses below the 39 or something, and you can just hold. As long we are here, we can expect the 61, which is still intact, even higher. And one more good thing about this, once we clear that zone, guys, this is the very important level of the 60s. The gap, upside gap, is so big, and we could expect around 28 cents from this coin. And the real fun will be started after clearing that zone of the 60s area. So overall, the coin is in a struggling phase, guys. If it goes wrong or if it goes against you, you just have to put the stop losses on this coin. Otherwise, if you know better than me that there is something going to be happen good with this coin, it's up to you. Okay, it's your money, your choice. What you have to do, you know better. So here was my thought and analysis about the Pixel coin. Pixel is standing at the very important zone, and we need to watch it closely. I think a little bit upside toward the 45 again, and 59 is expected as long we are in this region. And this is the zone, guys, from here to here. We are in this struggling zone. Once we clear this area, the gap is going to be so big, like a 20 cents to 22 cents for the macro structure. And here was my thought and analysis about the Pixel coin. Always do your own search before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.